Noah, your job at Fox in many ways is to think about what's coming in the future. Talk to us about what you're seeing, the industry trends and the evolutions that matter that have got you, anchoring what you're thinking about will be relevant for Fox in the future.
Yeah, so there's a lot of experimentation going on right this very moment within the television industry, whether it's doing optimized linear, using content as a proxy for audience, whether it's mostly MVPDs that are trying to roll out addressable advertising within the traditional set-top box television world, or going all the way to our IP internet delivered video experiences, whether that's through Apple TV, Roku, Chromecast, gaming platforms, and then you have your desktop and mobile video viewing experiences. And so all of that is a very interesting continuum of opportunity from being able to activate data in different kinds of ways. And so what we're seeing in the industry is we're seeing agencies and brands starting to lean in, saying, hey, we want to move beyond just doing basic age, gender, demographic targeting. I might want income or education level or, ethnic affinity or some type of intention. Everyone's favorite example is always auto intenders. And we're now seeing those types of conversations surface in our day-to-day marketplace dialogue. And then, on top of that, we're also seeing a select number of advanced buyers or advanced brands that have taken their digital best practices and said, hey, I can activate my first-party data all across the internet through web browsers and to a certain extent on mobile devices. How can I do that on television? And so we at Fox, we're thinking about how do we solve those problems for the market.
Yeah. Where do you think about the pace of change right now? We're certainly, we know, early. Are we reaching an inflection point where these types of changes are likely to be material soon?
I think that this is still early days in terms of market adoption and in terms of dollars flowing to, what we might call advanced advertising. It's still early days. I definitely see, we at Fox definitely see some significant traction in optimized linear. We have a product called Fox AIM, which stands for Audience Insights Manager. And essentially what we do is we offer for brands and agencies the ability to optimize against the Nielsen GRP guarantee as well as a secondary precision target across a vast swath of our linear schedule. And so definitely seeing that interest in a significant way. And what's interesting is the conversations are saying, hey, how can I do this on other platforms? And those other platforms that we're talking about happen to be things like set-top box video on demand or connected television viewing environments. And so we're in the process of thinking about how do we solve those problems for the market.